Okay, so something a bit different today. Those of you that follow me will probably know that I've been working on my own paddock stands. I've been learning to TIG weld over the last few weeks, and my welds are not the neatest. But in any case, when you have TIG welded, you tend to get bluing and heat marks around your weld in the metal. And at the moment, there's a lot of machines on the market to allow you to electrochemically remove those. Back in the day, or even still now, a lot of people use pickling paste, but it's pretty horrible stuff to work with, quite harmful to human skin. So I wasn't really keen to work with that. So I wanted to go down the electrochemical route, but that means buying a machine that's sort of £600-700. So instead, what I've done is got myself a power supply from eBay. So this power supply, which was about 60 quid, a couple of crocodile clips, some wire, and then a copper and carbon fibre TIG brush, as it's called, from eBay. This was about £7. And I have used proper electrolyte. So this is a phosphorus acid based electrolyte designed for cleaning stainless steel. You can just use 30% phosphorus acid to do this, which is probably what I'll do in future because this is pretty expensive. But to test things out, I wanted to use the proper electrolyte. And then essentially all we have to do is connect our positive from our power supply, straighten up our positive from our power supply to the part, turn on our supply, make sure that our brush is nicely coated in the electrolyte, and then apply the brush to the part, and you'll see the steam coming off this, which is the reaction taking place. And I'm using about 12 volts and 4 or 5 amps, so similar to a battery charger. Some people do use battery chargers to do this. I think it does actually damage battery chargers in the long term because this is not good for them. But I'm using this bench power supply, and you can see with just a quick pass over this weld, all the bluing is disappearing. I'm getting back to the true colour of the metal. So the bluing and all the heat marks are essentially oxidations, and what we're doing is pacifying the steel using the electrochemical reaction to clean it up back to its original colouring, so you should get the surface that you had when you actually started out. If you machine polish things like this, you'll find that you can end up with a surface that doesn't match the original surface, which obviously isn't what you want. So this is the most effective technique, and proof that you can do it with a 65 quid power supply, a £5 brush, and a bottle of electrolyte, rather than paying £600 or £700 for the proper machine. A successful day.